Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure iOS screen time settings for family management, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your device and locate the Settings app. Tap on the Settings app to open it. Scroll down and find the option labeled Screen Time. Tap on Screen Time to access the settings. If you haven't enabled Screen Time yet, tap on Turn on Screen Time. A welcome page will appear. Tap on Continue. Choose whether this device is for yourself or your child by selecting the appropriate option. If you are setting it up for a child, you will need to create a screen time passcode. Enter a unique 4-digit passcode. Confirm the passcode by entering it again. Once the passcode is set, you can configure various settings. Tap on App Limits to set time restrictions on specific app categories. Select Add Limit and choose the categories you wish to limit. Set the desired amount of time for each category and tap Add. Next, go back to the Screen Time menu. Tap on Always Allowed to select apps that can be accessed at any time. Choose the apps you want to allow and tap Done when finished. Now, return to the Screen Time menu again. Select Content and Privacy Restrictions to enable restrictions on content. Toggle on Content and Privacy Restrictions at the top of the screen. You can now adjust restrictions for various content types like apps, movies, and music. After adjusting the settings, navigate back to the Screen Time menu. Tap on Downtime to schedule time away from apps. Toggle on Downtime and set the start and end times for this period. Once you have configured all settings, review them to ensure they meet your needs. Your iOS screen time is now configured for effective family management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.